Hi Techies, are you afraid of programming but not anymore? Join us for the journey of creativity and discovery in captivating the world of Pictoblox with Arduino. At Tecky Summer Camp, we believe in hands-on learning through play. Our students start by diving into the Pictoblox, a powerful visualization programming software that unlocks the endless possibilities. With Arduino, the world becomes their playground. For making these LEDs blink and creating sounds with buzzers, our students explore the basics of input and output and unleashing their creativity one project at a time. But it's not just about lights and sounds. Our students learn to integrate the real-world functionality into their projects. From item counters to streetlights, mastering the world of input and output interaction. With dot matrix displays, the canvas is there to command. Our students unleash their imagination, designing simple emotions and animations that comes to the life at every pixel. And just when they think they have seen it all, our students dive into the world of teachable machine. They train with their hand gestures and control LEDs with trained models, blurring into the lines between the imagination and reality. So why late? Let's turn your dreams into reality and inspire more innovators of tomorrow. Join us at Tecky Summer Camp 2024. Teckybot, where future meets innovation.